we're going to be waiting around until 1 o'clock for the Fed minutes. They certainly changed their tone last meeting, so I think that they'll be looking at those with a maybe keener eye than normal. Normally, that's not the biggest mover, but it could be out there. Then moving on to trade, there's a little bit of a sticking point on essentially that the U.S. wants guarantees from the Chinese that they're not going to, instead of be nice on the trade deal, that they're not just going to turn around and start messing with their currency, which is a very valid concern, as they've been known to do that before. And then we have Theresa May heading over to Belgium today to try and work out a deal on Brexit. The EU consortium has basically said, there's nothing really to negotiate. So I don't know. That's going to continue to be in the background. SPY down 3 basis points. Q's up 7. Russell up 3. Waiting on a VIX print. What is going on here? We will have our gaps that we will be looking at. Early morning movers are going to be Southwest, LUV, CVS. CVS is down 9%. That's not good. And then we got U.S. Steel, X, and Roku is up 2%. So we will be filtering those in. See where we want to go with that.